More than 600 new laws go into effect tomorrow. One of them, known as permitless carry, will allow Texans to openly carry a gun without passing a training course or getting a permit. Our Matt Doherty is looking at what gun owners need to know tomorrow. Matt?
The Police Officers Union says they're most concerned about citizens who might end up arrested because they're unclear of the rules. If you've ever wanted to wear a gun like a cowboy, now you can.
Anyone who is of legal age and can carry a weapon will be allowed to carry a weapon, concealed or open, without any restrictions. They don't have to take any classes. They don't have to get certified or licensed or register the weapon. They just put it on and go.
Houston Police Officers Union President Douglas Griffith says he's mostly concerned for citizens who could find themselves unknowingly in trouble. He says if a citizen sees a person shoplifting and decides to hold him up at gunpoint, the citizen could end up getting into trouble. It makes things trickier for officers, too.
And when an officer shows up on the scene, they're not going to know who's the good guy and who's the bad guy. So if you have an officer out there or a citizen that pulls a weapon on someone, even a criminal, and they're holding him at gunpoint, when the officer shows up, he's not going to know which one's which.
KHOU 11 legal analyst Carmen Rowe says one of the biggest problems could come from an officer's inability to ask if someone is legally allowed to be carrying a weapon, unless they're suspected of breaking the law.
Well, it's always concerning to know somebody has a weapon on their person in your surroundings. The good news about this law is that it has to be concealed or in a holster in order for it to be carried under this new rule. But there are some concerns, and I think most concerns are going to be that people who are otherwise prohibited from carrying weapons will be carrying weapons.
In Houston, I'm Matt Doherty, KHOU 11 News.